Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Pennywise from It. We're just going to draw his head. It's going to be from the new It, you know, the one in the recent one. And let's get started, okay? It's going to be short, so let's get going. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with just the shape of the bottom of the head first. So right here, I'm going to draw a line over here for kind of the side of his cheek. Over here on the opposite side, the same thing. Don't worry if they're not even, mine are not even, don't worry about it. Just as long as it's close enough, right? That's the whole idea. Down over here, curve underneath for the chin. Now we're leaving these lines perfect to connect up. All right. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line upward. Over here, line upward. Because his forehead is huge. Pretty much. I'm gonna take it all the way up here, maybe. Right over here, curve. Curve it around a little bit more. Gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm actually gonna start from here and I'm gonna pull down out over here, downward. Let's go over here for the hairline. So we got the middle chunk of hair over here. Pull up. Top of the head, kind of a point right there. Go over here on the side and I'm gonna pull the hair out over here on that side, just a curve, cross over here, curve. Now I'm gonna make this a little bit up, go up. Okay, now I'm gonna cut in here and I'm gonna draw one of his, like, basically the frills of the hair. Over here, another one. As it's kind of slowly moving up. One over here and over here. Let's pull this one up a bit on this side. Curve over here, back. Curve over here. Over here. Same thing, making the way up. Right there. You can actually pull these lines out a little bit to kind of make them, you know, break the surface a little bit more. Gonna go over here to the eyes now. They're about yay level, about the hair level. Actually, first thing we're gonna pull the ear down. So over here, up. Go across over here, up. The ears. Let's go over to the eyes. Line over here, in. Got that angry kind of look over here. So same thing over here. We're gonna space, swoop down like so. And now we're gonna start from here and we're gonna draw like a curved line underneath, like a dish. Like that. Over here. Like that. Okay. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw like this. I go over pretty much how to draw anything. It is step by step, like I said. And yeah, just it's good. It helps you improve drawing. Like, the worst part is if like a year from now you're not much better at drawing, but hitting subscribe gives you the opportunity to do that. So definitely do that. There's no downside to it. You got to click the bell notification as well. Gonna go over here now. So that's the white sclera part, right? The white part. Now let's go over here inside there and draw a circle. A circle kind of for the beady eyes there. You can draw like a dot. I think they're like yellow or something, right? Cool. Let's go over here and let's draw like a line over here for the brow right there. Over here. Over here, it's gonna go down. Gonna go draw bag under here. Bag under here. And one thing you can do right here is, so that line that we just drew, but before you can draw it thick, because I think they kind of do that. He wears this kind of makeup dark, make his eyes look really deep set into his head. Let's go over here to the nose, about yay level, like halfway to here and here. Then there's the nose, well, a little bit higher than that. Curve right there for the middle of the nose. Curve over here for the nostrils. Curve for the wing of the nostrils. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, wing of the nostrils, stuff like that, hit the main website, sketchingeasy.com. There are lessons on there. They're not, I think they should be up here soon, very soon. There's gonna be video lessons on the page that you can check out, and it's gonna make you much better at art. So go check that out. And it talks about an entire little mini course on how to draw the nose, how to draw the eyes. So if you don't know how to do that stuff, there's a mini course for that I have. Okay, let's go over here for the smile. So let's start over here on the edge, maybe like down from the eye, down from the eye. Let's go to the edges of the smile. Gonna go over here, down, and up over here. Gonna do a curve here at the top of the lip. Connect those right there. Connect that right there. Let's have his open mouth over here. Down, in, up. Let's smile. Down over here, curve up. Okay? And let's draw his teeth down right here, like this. Ding, 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 ding. Sweet. Thin line here. Thin line over here, the temples, right? So what's missing exactly? There's definitely something missing. And that's the color, okay? We gotta go into the color. Let's put a line over here, line over here. So the most important part, and you can grab a red for this, or you can do this like in a line, but I'm gonna show you in kind of red. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, is this red? Yeah. Is this red? I think this might be orange. Actually, that's orange, which we will also use, but let's go over the red first. So, gonna go over here, find the red, and I'm gonna go across the nose first. Line across, and I'm gonna fill it in here. Go over here now. For the lips, I'm gonna leave a little strip right, well, I guess you could kind of just do it all the way right here. Little strip right here. Right here, curve. Kind of cover up the lips right there, right? Then the most important thing, it's going to be a curve right here for, you know, that thing that kind of goes right through his eye, right? That makeup up right there. Let's go a little higher. So that's one on that side. Over here on this side, it goes right through the middle. Really cool design. Really, really awesome. I love that. A couple of things we missed. The laugh line. Well, I'm gonna go with the black. Laugh line. Maybe a line up here for the top of the brow. And we are gonna draw right here, like lines right here for the bridge of the nose. Again, you can learn all this in the lesson. Go check that out if you haven't. So we did that. Let's get a yellow to fill in the eyes right there. Be careful though, it might smear if it's recent. And then I'm gonna go over here with orange for the nose. I think this is, oh man, that looks so red. Let me see. That looks too red, which to be honest, I shouldn't have put that down, but let's go over here with this. I think this is more orange. Yeah, let's just do this with the orange. But don't forget to check out that lesson. Like I told you, I'm going to be putting them on the site. There's a beginner drawing lesson to get you started. Go take a look at that. And it's like, if you really want to improve, like I said, if you really want this to be the year you improve, go take a look at that website. You have nothing to lose. It's all completely free at the moment. So go take a look at that and let me know, okay? Go over here. Right over here. Just kind of filling that in. But yeah, lots of good stuff. I had a pretty good day today. Otherwise, just kind of talking about my day while I'm filming this in. It's all pretty much just fill it in flat. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that was, you know, decent. And I hope, like I said, you had a good time watching this, okay? That is it. If you want, you can draw like a thicker line here. Maybe around the edge of everything, that might help it out. Just on the outside, that kind of like helps contain the shape, especially when we're doing something like a head here. It gives it a, just on the outside, it gives it a kind of cool, like, you know, wild, like, I don't know, like sticker look. Up over here. Up over here. There you go. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Talk to you soon.